Hello, Joe here from INFINITI of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this gorgeous 2018 INFINITI Q60 all-wheel drive coupe that we have for sale. Beautiful condition inside and out. If you're in the market for a luxury performance coupe, the Q60 is a great choice. This one was recently retired out of our service loaner fleet. The way that works is we'll pluck a new car from our inventory. We'll put it in INFINITI loaner car service for about a year. And the way that works is one of the benefits of being a new or certified pre-owned INFINITI customer is that you get complimentary INFINITI service loaner vehicles for extended service stays. And this had a gentle life. We took care of it since it was new, only 9,915 miles. And now this one's available as a certified pre-owned vehicle, which comes with all the benefits you normally get with a new INFINITI. On top of that, it comes with a 6-year, 75,000 mile certified warranty that covers about 1,400 components, and it comes with a lot of other great benefits too, like roadside assistance, trip interruption, all sorts of cool stuff. Contact us for more details or visit infinitiusa.com and look at their pre-owned, their certified pre-owned section. Beautiful carbon fiber trim. You have a drive mode selector to tailor transmission shift points, throttle sensitivity, steering, for different driving situations: snow, eco, standard, sport, and sport plus. This one has a dual display system. The top screen is for the parking camera. It also displays the clock. Also displays information as far as if you're connecting your Bluetooth phone to it. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. This one is a sport model, so you get a little bit extra bolstering in the seats. A little bit different design on the front seats as well. With the sport package, you get this unique interior trim, steering wheel paddle shifters. This one also features a Bose audio system. You also get these cool aluminum pedals with the sport package. Really nice color combination in white on black leather. Also, with the sport package, you get a sport tuned suspension. You get a more aggressive sport wheel and tire package, larger brakes. This one also has really nice black accents on it as well. Carbon fiber spoiler. The Q60 is an absolutely beautiful automobile. This one has intelligent all-wheel drive, great for the wet, slippery weather we have in the Pacific Northwest. It makes 300 horsepower. So if normally a rear-wheel drive version of this vehicle, it's quickly to overwhelm those rear wheels. With all-wheel drive, this thing just grips and goes. It will definitely do a lot better in the snow versus a rear-wheel drive version of this Q60. The heart of it is this twin-turbo V6, makes 300 horsepower, very fuel efficient, and also features direct injection. Excuse me. Look at the beautiful lines of this Q60. Absolutely gorgeous design. Beautiful automobile. It looks gorgeous in white. You get luxury car comfort, sports car performance. It shares its platform with the Nissan 370Z sports car, so it has a lot of sporty DNA baked into it. It's built and assembled in Japan, so if you do value Japanese build quality, the Q60 is a real deal. Not all Japanese brands are built in Japan these days, but the Q60 is. It also comes with a 5-day, 100% money-back guarantee. Thanks for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.